Alright, figured I'd do a little walk around on the Edison electric truck, Carl. First interesting feature we come to is in this toolbox right here. So this is the plug to charge it into, say, your household grid. These cables are just my wall charger there I brought down with me, but you plug it into the outside plug right there, and that's how you charge it into the wall. Right here are the battery banks. There's a headache rack. It's a logging truck, it's got to have a headache rack. This blue tank here is the fuel tank. Onto the steer tires, we got 425s. Full steel fenders. This truck in 1962 is called a needle nose because it's so skinny. How about we open the hood here and I can show you the motor. Grab this latch. There we go. It's a butterfly hood, so it just opens up from the side. And there you got the Cat diesel motor. It's a 3306. The weird part is there's no fan belts. Because it's running as a generator in the electric truck, we don't need a single fan belt on the motor. Less parts to break. It's got electric rad fans. The water pump and fuel pump are both mechanical, so the alternator just charges off the main batteries. We have a DC to DC that takes the high voltage from those big battery banks there, feeds it into the bad 24 volt batteries inside this box. There we go. Here is the control unit and batteries for the truck. That's a 24 for the generator. That's the 12 for the truck controls. And inside here is the computer controls. That's the DC to DC that converts the high voltage into the 12 and 24 volt. This is the wiring harness for the whole truck. So an electric truck, it's just these 10 wires that control everything to do with it. You can see how simple that wiring harness is compared to a new truck's wiring harness. Have a look back here. This is the drive motor. This is out of a Tesla Model S, but remember, this is just a temporary motor until we get the electric axles in the spring. From the Tesla motor, it goes to that 4-speed auxiliary, where it goes to these normal differentials, which are 46,000 pound rear ends with a 4.3 ratio. And there you go. That is the walk around Carl.